Obesity is rapidly evolving as a public health issue world over, and as educated people we are responsible in contributing to the ever-increasing problem. So what is there that leads to weight gain despite our all effort? The simplest answer is ignorance. Most of the person who are trying hard to curb on weight gain do not succeed in doing so due to inadequate and poor gathered information. Remaining hungry is not the solution for weight loss, and we need to inculcate good habits in ourselves smartly to sustain it for a long time. Else you will lose kilos in few months and regain much more than that. This cycle would continue until we understand the basic of healthy eating. So the important aspect is to make consistent and slow changes in our lifestyle to sustain ideal weight. There are few bad habits to watch for. Fizzy drinks. Most of fizzy drinks are full of calories and they go down easy the throat. But before we realize, we make our system take in loads of calories. Try to restrict on your soft drinks and prefer other beverages like lemon juice and coconut water, both of which can be refreshing with minimal calories. TV watching. Eating while watching TV is something which is a very prominent cause of gaining fat. Usually while on screen we tend to forget how much we have taken in, and most of time we realize this when a packet full of chips becomes empty. Lack of sleep. It has been shown that due to lack of sleep, our hormone cycle gets disturbed and the cortisol levels change, leading to weight gain. Second, if we remain awake for long, we tend to eat more, thereby gaining extra calories. Shopping when hungry. Research has shown that when we buy our grocery when we are hungry, you tend to buy things which are easy to grab and are high in calorie dense. Hence, always have a healthy food before you go for shopping. Desserts. Eating something after main course often leads to high-calorie food intake, like ice cream, sweets. So instead of these, try to take simple desserts like lemon water or something non-caloric. Best is to avoid it completely. Time of meal. Most of the time we try to postpone or skip our meal. Ultimately, this leads to severe hunger, making us eat whatever we can grab immediately. Most of the time, this is high-caloric fast food. Always plan your meals and carry healthy food items with you like fruits, sandwiches. Fat-free, sugar-free food. Fat-free or sugar-free foods are not calorie-free food items. We should always look for the portion size and amount of calorie we are going to have. Lack of exercise. Not taking time out for your regular exercise makes you gain weight and also makes you lazy. Going out to eat. Frequent outings leads to increase in the consumption of food high in calorie, sugar and salt, leading to weight gain. Restrict your outings to not more than once or twice a month. Dehydration. Drink lots of water so that you keep on flushing out harmful toxins. So to avoid being obese, eat healthy and exercise regularly. For more on healthy living, subscribe to our channel and like and comment. See you on the next video.